running uphill. I can't do it like I used to. This is going to be my camping spot for the night. I just made some coffee. There's a little pond on the other side of the van. I'll show you that in a second. But this nice little secluded spot. Here's the pond. Nice little pond, not very big. That's the other end of the pond. I'm sure moose come down here at some point. I just saw some moose prints down below, so it'd be kind of neat if a moose showed up this evening. That's not very well defined, but that is a moose footprint. So, like I said, it'd be kind of neat if one showed up this evening. I could get some footage of it. This is a nice little spot I found. It's quiet. It's a little breezy, but I think there's enough trees in the area. It's kind of blocking the breeze right here. So I looked in the gazetteer, and the name of that pond is Lone Jack Pond. And I came up Mountain Brook Road, and keeps going to the left of me right here, but there was a dead end. Now further down there's a fork in the road and veered left, and I do believe that keeps going. There's other ponds up ahead, but it was very narrow and rough, and I didn't dare take the van through there. I didn't trust it. But today's October 6th, Monday the 8th. It's supposed to be a new moon, so I was hoping to do some Milky Way photography tonight, but it clouded up, so I don't think that's going to happen. And that's too bad, because I think the Milky Way over that little pond would look good. But anyway, I'll enjoy the evening anyway. So what I'm preparing this evening is something they call turkey taco casserole. Right now I'm heating up some pasta, cooking some pasta. It's just a cup of pasta. So the pasta's all cooked, so what I'm doing now is just browning up some ground turkey, a pound of ground turkey. Like I said, this recipe is very easy and there's only 5 ingredients. Once the turkey's all browned up, you can add the other ingredients. First, a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. In this case, I went with no salt added. an 8 3/4 ounce can of corn. Oh, a little messy there, but next is an envelope of taco seasoning mix, and in this case it's 40% less sodium. Then I add the pasta I cooked earlier. Mix that up. Then you just cover and let it simmer for another 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, it's pretty much done, and that's what you get. Now it's time to enjoy. Very good. I forgot to bring a bowl, so I'm using a pan on my bowl. It works. So I finished supper and did the dishes, and as you can see, the pond is still quiet and it's quite cloudy, so there won't be any stars tonight. Doesn't look like there'll be a colorful sunset either. Here's the view out the van window this morning. You can see it's still gray and it was kind of damp last night. Since it's so gray and damp this morning, I decided to pack it up and leave this spot. I'll have my coffee later on. Now on the way out of here, if I see anything interesting, I'll stop and film it or photograph it. We'll see how it goes. Uphill, I can't do it like I used to. Well, this trip didn't turn out very well for photography, but I think I still got some pretty good video clips. The color is nice. Now it's really dreary and windy for still photography. Now I'm on a scenic pullout just off of Route 201. I wanted to show that hillside back there. I'd say we're pretty much at peak color this weekend. Now if the sun was out, that hillside would really be on fire. There's Wyman Lake in the background.